This week's challenge, we'll be racing Top Gear, Balmaha to Ballach in a boat.
We're off to Balmaha today. We're going to hire out a boat, a bit of trawling. So, you see who we're taking with me? And we've got big Rob, just waiting in Ballach bus station at the moment, waiting for the bus to take us to the boat.
So, are we ready? Yes.
I'm in the bus lane, which is good, I can use them. However, the other thing they use is them buses.
The Monday morning rush hour was slowing James. But I couldn't open up the big lead I'd hoped for one simple reason.
I've got to wait at the lights, I'm on telly. Obviously I always wait at the lights. Hello? Oh.
It was time for the Stig to get out of the big red car.
We, on the other hand, built up a good lead and we're picking up our boat and setting off.
Narrated bit.
Never been much.
Here we are on Balmaha. Just about to leave Balmaha boatyard. Heading north up Loch Lomond. Around the bay. Going round the first island. Up as far as level as Luss. Where we'll turn round and come back down south towards Ballach. Getting the official road down in a minute. And hopefully we'll catch you up
Pike.
and if we're lucky, even a salmon.
Pike.
Can't you see that it's just raining? There ain't no need to go outside, but just maybe like a ukulele. Mama made a baby, really don't mind the practice, cause you're my little lady. Lady, love me, cause I love to lay lazy. We could go
obviously it's a video then.
pretend like there's no world outside.
There we are. Tug a lug tug. Well, you definitely drink faster on the motor, eh?
34 horsepower.
It's fucking 2 in it, something like that. Well, there we go. Now look, mate. Oh yeah, I've done it with that. Mate, I done a spinner once with a spin.
Yeah.
Got a couple of red stripes down the side, and one side cut the end off. Well, get that now there, some scenery. There we go. We've got the big man on his debut voyage. Debut voyage on Loch Lomond.
Beautiful Loch Lomond, man. I do like that song.
Honestly, I defy anyone not to just fall in love with this place. I mean, it's just gorgeous, you know. Oh yeah.
It's all fresh where you can drink it too, you know.
Oh yeah. So, you know, you can do that quite often.
Baby, you hardly even know when I try to show you this song is meant to keep you from doing what you're supposed to. Waking up too early, maybe we could sleep. Make you banana pancakes, pretend like it's the weekend now.
Only a minute or so from Wandsworth
We could pretend it all the time.
So although the car was imprisoned by the traffic,
Can't you see
the boat
that
was
it's just
coming into play,
raining?
and Stig was closing in.
There ain't no need to go outside. Ain't no need.
Well, it turns out they needn't have worried, because we
There we are.
had a problem.
There's Rob,
Engineer.
engineer.
It's not the captain.
Now you'll notice that we're rowing at the moment, and that might be something to do with that. Kind of flooded a bit, we hope. Anyway, so on with the adventure we go. rowing down 24-mile long loch.
Well, I was sitting, waiting, wishing you believed in superstitions. Then maybe you'd see the signs. But Lord knows.
Well, after a while, we decided it'd be a good idea just to pull over to shore and, well, mess around for a while, really.
Hey, go on, Robbo.
Oh, no.
Yeah, easy, man. How far can you walk, though? This is the bit where I come up and flick you in the nuts.
Still do it. At least I can still do it.
Still recording. There we go.
Alright.
We're on the East Peninsula of Pier Island. Over to that side you've got Lusk.
Over the other side.
Shore up here for a while, do some pike fishing, and take a little move on down to Balfour later.
Yeah, we found a lighter in the car.
Car?
I mean in the boat, well, sorry man.
Funny looking car, man.
Look at that.
Pretty so.
And then we got the motor going.
Yep.
And now we're okay again. The police are hanging around, but
Starting for freedom. Starting to catch some time up now.
oh, we're moving.
Thing is, will we beat Richard Hammond to Bali on a boat? Or is he going to beat us if we can't even on?
Well, we did row a fair portion of the distance. A little bit rough.
Right, come on audience, help us out. That was
Yeah.
shout for the fight.
At this point, Richard was just 8 miles from the airport. I had 17 miles to cover, but I was going an awful lot faster. The Stig was now catching Hammond too, and even worse news for the one in shorts. James has cleared the traffic.
By this stage, we knew we were done for, so figured it would just be better to do a bit of fishing. And on that bombshell, good night!
Oh, flower of Scotland, when will we see your lights again? That fought and died for your wee Ben Hill and Glen, we stood against them. Proud Edward's army, and sent them homewards to think again. The hills are bare now, and autumn leaves lie faint and still.